there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampinup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's card features the Hippest Hippos stamp set and coordinating dies. Now these are free items with a qualifying purchase during our Sale-A-Bration promotion which runs through to the end of August. These products are featured on pages 4 and 5. So if you spend $110 or more, you can get the Hippo stamp set for free. Or you can choose the dies. Obviously, if your order is more than $220, you're going to get the dies and the Hippo stamp set as well. I mean, you've really got to have them both, right? They're so cute. I've put a link to all the products in the description bar below if you would like to look more at them, and also if you would like me to send you this free brochure and our Stampin' Up mini catalogue, which is this one here, which is also available now. I know it's got Christmas images on the front, but it's not just for Christmas. And if you live in New Zealand and you don't have a Stampin' Up demonstrator, please feel free to contact me, stampingmary, M-E-R-R-Y, @gmail.com, and I'd be happy to send free brochures to you in the mail. So let me get started with this card. I've used Coastal Cabana, which is my absolute favourite. I've already gone ahead and coloured one of the little hippos. Now in this image you can see they're a little bit darker. I went a little bit lighter with this one and didn't do all of the extra shading. Just depends how you like it. I've also embossed with the fern, sorry, not the fern die, what did I just say? The Stitch Greenery die. I hope you can see it properly here. Let me just see. It's not, I haven't got the best light at the moment, but it's a beautiful embossing die. Just makes that lovely stitched background. And this fantastic paper comes from new paper which is in that Stampin' Up mini catalogue, and it's the gingham paper, and it's a whole lot of selections of different colours of gingham, and I love gingham, so what more could I ask for? So let's go ahead and get this card done. I'm just going to grab in the bits and pieces I've already gone ahead and done. So I've already stamped and die cut with the coordinating dies, my little hippos. So I'm just going to colour with my blend. I'm using Melon Membo. Magenta Madness is gone. I'm using the dark one, and I'm just going to come in and lay a little bit of dark colour in down here on her little skirt, because these dies are so cute. And then I'm going to come in with my light blend. I'm just going to soften out that harsh line, the dark that I just put in. There you go. Just for her little skirt, or her tutu, whatever you want to call it. Such a cute little thing. So cute. These are so cute. Now, as you can see with this one, I coloured everything in the smoky slate. I'm not going to get quite so carried away with this one. I'm just going to do a very small amount on her little ears, using my light smoky slate, and just a little bit around here, just a little bit, because I'm going to use the colour lifter to take some of this out so it's not quite so dark. And then just a little bit here, a little bit in around her on her arms, and a little bit around here in her tummy. So not putting too much down. I'm bringing in my colour lifter, and if you don't have a colour lifter, and if you like using blends, I highly recommend the colour lifter because it just softens out the colours. So gives you some more options for colouring. And it just moves that light around a little bit there. I'm sorry if the light's not so good. The weather's a bit average outside today. Just going to bring in the brush tip. Here we go. That makes it a bit better, doesn't it? just sort of moving the colour around a little bit. And then for another pop of colour, I'm going to colour her little ballet shoes and her fingertips there in Daffodil Delight. On this one I used pale papaya actually, but I decided it needs a little bit of colour. There you go. She's very cute, right? The whole set is cute. I've got a whole series of these videos using these little happy hippos. So yeah, there was just a little bit of smoky slate colour laid down there, and then the colour lifter just to lighten things up a little bit. Just gotta fix that little bit up there that I missed. There you go. And Malamumbo, which I love, against the Coastal Cabana. Okay, so let's put this together. I also have gone ahead and used one of the stitched circle die to stamp the You're Always On Point. You don't have to use those sentiments if you just want to do a birthday type sentiment. That's totally fine, whatever you like. Right, I'm just going to pop one of these on first, so I might put that one on first. So I'm just going to put my Stampin' Seal down on here, just positioning it really wherever you like. I'll try and keep it the same as my original card as much as possible. And this is just where you can just sort of play around a little bit to see how you want her positioned. I'm just going to put a one dimensional only, just at the back here, just so I can move things around a little bit when I put the ribbon on. Oh, it's so cute. Maybe that way. There we are. There you go. And I'll put that on. Put some Stampin' Seal on here. It's really cute against the that gingham paper. I've put a link to that gingham paper also. And then we have Always On Point just there. Oops, my dimensional came off completely. That's cute, right? That is a cute card. So last but not least, these dies have these really, really nice hearts dies in them. Really good shape. There. So I'm just going to grab my mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine and a piece of the Mambo, and we're going to run that through. Die cutting machine. Oops. There we go. Oops, that's that one. Nice shaped little hearts, these ones. We might just use a little bit of Tombow, I think. Come on, there you go. And just pop them in there wherever You fancy? I think the Hippest Hippos is going to be a really popular item from the Sale-A-Bration brochure, and certainly because they're free with a qualifying order, so what's better than something for free? So now the bow, I couldn't decide if I liked the bow or not. Yes or no, I don't know. I do like to put bows on things, as you probably know if you've seen any of my videos. I just kind of, I don't know, it's my thing. I feel like it just needs a little bit of something. So you can leave the bow off if you don't want to put it on. Yeah. Whoops. Doesn't want to go stay on there, does it? Right. Stay there. This bow does not want to stay on the card. That is for sure. I'll just grab a glue dot. I think that might be more appropriate. Sorry folks, if you are watching and thinking, what is this woman doing? She's struggling. Here we go. And dimensionals on the back. What do you think? Coastal cabana? Coastal cabana, coastal cabana, whatever, however you say it. The pop of melon mambo with the coastal cabana I love. So just half a piece of cardstock. The background there. Oh, very cute. Everything else out of the way. And there you have it. Super simple. I've put a link, as I said, to all the products I've used in the description bar below. I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching. Bye.